out to be the most happening and memorable month for the Indian drone industry, which has witnessed some major events and financial engagements. Hi everyone, my name is Sasha and you're watching Drone News Express. PM Narendra Modi inaugurated Bharat Drone Mahotsav 2022 on May 27th, organized by Ministry of Civil Aviation partnering with Drone Federation of India at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. Over 1,600 delegates comprising government officials, foreign diplomats, armed forces, PSUs, private companies and drone startups participated in the Mahotsav. Aiming to promote the Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Indian Army's Northern Command organized a two-day North Tech Symposium at Udhampur, where more than 15 drone organizations participated and showcased their technologies. Addressing the Experience Studios on Drones event, Civil Aviation Minister Sri Jyotiraditya Scindia said drone manufacturing and services will create a multitude of jobs and is touted to be over 30,000 crore industry. The Indian Postal Services conducted its very first drone postal service in Kutch, Gujarat with resounding success on May 27, 2022 as the part of Drone Mahotsav 2022. Adani Defence Systems has signed a definitive agreement to acquire a 50% stake in Bengaluru-based drone maker General Aeronautics Private Limited for cash consideration. RattanIndia Enterprises Limited has acquired a 60% stake in drone manufacturing startup Throttle Aerospace Systems Private Limited through Neo Sky India Limited. We Founders Circle, a founder-based early-stage startup investor, has announced a seed round worth $325,000 in a drone logistics service provider, TSAW Drones. DroneAcharya Aerial Innovations has recently received an investment of $4.6 million from varied range of stalwarts of the fintech markets to Bollywood superstars. With the growth in drone as a solution ecosystem in India, Garuda Aerospace received an investment of an undisclosed sum in a pre-Series A funding round led by Oakgrow Ventures. Now talking about some collaborations. IIT Roorkee has partnered with Garuda Aerospace to jointly address the growing demand for indigenous drone pilots in the rapidly developing Indian drone ecosystem. Omnipresent Robotech has inked a pact with Gautam Budh University and Skill Council of India to set up a Drone Excellence Center in Uttar Pradesh. IG Drones, under its mission to upskill 10 million youths with latest drone technology, has partnered with FICCI and also signed an MOU with Lloyd Group of institutions for opening up a drone center of excellence. Swiggy, in partnership with Garuda Aerospace, will soon begin trial runs for using drones to send groceries in Delhi NCR and Bengaluru. Startup India, in association with DPIIT and ISRO, has launched INR 6.5 crores NavIC Grand Challenge to set India on a path towards domestic mapping and navigation capabilities. Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia stated that fees for drone pilot training courses will significantly decrease in next 3 to 4 months as more institutes will get necessary certification from the aviation regulatory body. The two biggest Indian conglomerates, the Ambani and Adani Groups, have expressed their desire to expand businesses into the civilian drone field. Indian government has issued an expression of interest for local industry to design and develop an underwater launch UAV to enhance submarine situational awareness, providing real-time photos and videos from a distance. The Tamil Nadu Unmanned Aerial Vehicles Corporation will train drone pilots in the state to equip all villages in the state with drone units in the next 3 years. Mayhem Studios, in partnership with Bot Labs Dynamics, has conducted India's biggest game reveal through a drone show which revealed the game logo at Mumbai's Mahalakshmi Racecourse. To constantly keep an eye along the border with Pakistan and China, the Ministry of Defence intends to procure small-size surveillance drones for the Indian Army in a new procurement process. So friends, with this, we come to an end to this month's Drones News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook page and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in the description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thank you for watching. Do like our video. Do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.